In today's video, I'm gonna share with you the best strategy that you can use to trade Binance P2P. I have been trading Binance P2P for a while now, and I've done almost 1,000 trades. So I'm really gonna show you exactly what you need to do in different instances to make up to $100 every day. You get me right? Up to $100 every day. So if say you're new to my platform, this is the BETONG Media. Yeah, I create content that will help you make passive income, build wealth from scratch, and also help you in marketing and advertising if say you have a business. So as I mentioned today, I want to show you exactly how you can make $100 a day following this simple strategy that I'm going to show you right now.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just got low.
So guys, this is my interface. I'm a verified Binance P2P merchant. So this is my interface, and I've done almost 1,000 trades. All of my ads are offline. I just want to show you guys the interface of verified users. So this is how it looks like. You can see the orders. You're gonna show you different orders. If say you have one advertisement, I'm gonna show you everything that you have in terms of what you are selling or buying. In this case, I have been doing USDT, and also you can look at your funding wallet, how much you have in your funding wallet. This is how much I have right now on my funding wallet. You can look also your profile, everything, notification. You can see everything from this Binance P2P dashboard. But I'm gonna show you also how the other interface looks like for those of you who are still coming new on Binance P2P, or if say you are using Binance for the first time and you want to start using Binance P2P, then I will recommend you go to the description of this video. There you'll find my link, my referral links to register to Binance. It is free, it won't cost you anything. So when you go to buy crypto, you see Binance P2P trading. You can click on that. It will take you to the interface of Binance P2P trading. Here you're going to see buy and sell. This is for those who are buying and selling. So for example, let's say you want to buy cryptocurrency and you want to use Binance to buy cryptocurrency. This is where you're going to come to buy. This is how it's going to look like. And lots of you who want to sell your cryptocurrency, this is how it's going to look like. So yeah, you have all the merchants who are selling, both verified and unverified merchant. And those of you who want to start trading, as I mentioned, I'm going to show you guys how you can go about it in a separate video. That's why you want to be subscribed to this platform and hit the bell button so that each time I come out with a new video, you'll be among the first to get. Now I want to assume those of you who are watching this video are already a Binance P2P merchant. But if say you are not a Binance P2P merchant, you can use the link below, as I mentioned, to register to Binance, and comment below if say you want me to create a separate video to show you step by step on how to become a Binance P2P merchant. But as I mentioned in this video, I'm going to share with you my strategy on how I place my trades with Binance P2P. Guys, first of all, you need to understand what payment system you are using. Like, you can do arbitrage when it comes to P2P trading. These are the top payments method that most traders use while trading Binance P2P. This is the interface, right? And you want to place, let's say you have $1,000 and you want to start trading with that. Or let me say you have $200 and you want to start trading with $200. But this strategy that I'm going to show you guys will require you to have at least $1,000, or if say you have just $100, you're going to be making $2 every day. So guys, in order for you to earn at least $100 every day, you need to follow these steps keenly, because this is one of the most important steps that if say you miss it, then you won't be able to make at least $100 every day trading Binance P2P. Now, if say you're placing an ad, right, your ad will appear either on the sell or buy section of this Binance P2P interface, where either buyers and sellers are going to, transact with each other. Let's say, for example, you want to place a sell advertisement. Your ads will appear on the buy section, and if say you're placing a buy advertisement, your ads will appear on the sell section. I repeat, if say you are placing a sell advertisement, it will appear on the buy section of this interface, and if say you are placing a buy advertisement, it will appear on the sell section of this interface. So these guys are those who have placed a buy advertisement, and these guys are those who have placed a sell advertisement. Now, this is what you need to do, guys. With me, I am in Europe, so I'm gonna choose the euro, right? And for you, I don't know where you are, you can choose the currency that you have, like in your country where you live, choose the currency, or depending on which bank you're using. Now, these are the top different payment solutions that you're gonna be part of, like Register to either Wise, Revolut, SEPA Instant, SEPA, bank transfer, Paysera, BBVA, and this. I mean, the list. There are so many lists depending on which country you find yourself or which payment solution you want to choose. Depending if say you are eligible to be part of such payment method. Do this before you go to place any ads, to sell or to buy. So I always come to look at this. Like if say I want to sell, the ads going to appear on the buy section, as I mentioned. I'm going to look at the price in the market. So these are the prices in the market, and I'm going to look at the buy and sell, because I buy, sell, buy, sell. The top ad here is at 0.995, and when you look right down to this, you will see the last is 0.998. All right, I always love my ad to be on the first page of this interface, like on the first page. Now I'm going to look at the different prices and how many USDT that each person has, and look at the time frame that they are going to be sold out, right? I mean, we have 24 hours for this to happen. You don't need to rush to like you want to trade. No, take your time and make sure you monitor all this to see that this is going in accordance to your plan. Look at all this, and when you come to the sell section, look at how they are selling as well. So if say you are buying this and you are buying this 0.996 and you want to sell at 0.994, guys, this is nothing. You're gonna be losing money, so right? So you don't want to perform these trades on Wise, because if say you perform this trade on Wise, you're gonna lose money, and you don't want to do that, right? Okay, you come to, let's say, Revolut. On the sell section, you see this first page, you have 0.980, and when you go to the buy section, you're gonna see the last is how much is $1. Okay, this is good. That is a difference of at least 0.0020 profit if say you place any trades here. So if say you want to earn at least $100 every day, then your margins should be at least 0.0020 profit, so that each time you make a trade of $100, you're gonna earn at least $2, right? So now let's move forward to SEPA Instant. When you look at SEPA Instant, you're gonna see that, okay, if say I'm placing an ad here, it's almost similar to Wise, but the difference here is with SEPA Instant, the minimum on this page is 0.998. So if I go to the sell section, I'm gonna see that, okay, this is 84. Wow, I can use SEPA Instant also to place an ad, and in this case I can come right down here to do 0.997, or maybe I don't want to go that far, to like that far here. I can be in the middle of this to say, okay, since these guys are 0.00 doing this for 0.997 and this guy is 0.99, I can come and put my ad at 0.9982, knowing that if I come here, I'm going to place my ad here, my sell advertisement at $1, right? $1. Looking at this here, you see that these guys have huge please order. This guys, like this one, Lucky 24 has, if say you want to buy here, you need at least, the limit order is 5,000. This one is 2,000. From here, you 95, you have 100, but it doesn't have so much. And you see 96 0.96, you have 2,100. This guy doesn't have so much also. So when you come right down, you see that 0.98, this guy has, the minimum is 500. So you can start placing your ad after this guy, you know. And when you go to the next page now, you see that, okay, you can at least place your ad at $1. And when you have it at $1, within the day, your ad will become on the top, like the top. And when your ad become on top, you will start making money within 24 hours. It always happen, you know, within 24 hours. That always happen because there's so much merchant out there, so many people out there want to buy and sell. So if say you place your ads well, you're gonna make that $100 every day. Usually before I became a verified merchant, Binance always freeze my account or every 24 hours and before releasing most of my cryptos. But right now, Binance don't freeze my account because I'm a verified Binance P2P merchant. So guys, this strategy is really simple and easy to perform. If say you are like disciplined and you don't rush to want to make money like fast, with Binance, you don't have to make money like fast. Yeah, you can take your time to make something every day. I mean, if say you have done everything like according to what I mentioned, then I think you are good to go to start earning at least $100 every day. This is not easy. Binance P2P requires you to spend a lot of time to monitor your ads. I'm going to show most of you guys who are still wanting to know more about Binance P2P. I'm going to do a different videos for that and show you guys how you can go about placing your ads, all these steps, registering to different payment solutions, the best ones out there depending on which country you're living. So all this I'm going to be doing here for you guys, and make sure you get the best content, you know, from me. And let me see if say I have an order here. So if I come here, you're gonna see my ads here. So let me go to show you guys my ads. Let me go to Binance P2P to P2P. Yeah, you see my ads here. I'm using SEPA Instant and Wise. So if I go to SEPA Instant, let's go to SEPA Instant. You see like this is the sales section. You see my ads on top. So this is my ads on top, you know. Yeah, you can see that for the past 30 days I've done 439 trades, you know, and this is what I'm selling right now. And this is the minimum order for anyone out there who wanna order. So guys, I've come to the end of this video. If say this content was helpful to you and you want me to create more of such content, you know what to do. Smash the subscribe button right now, thumbs up, and you share this content with someone else out there. Don't forget to subscribe, right? Subscribe and share this content. Comment below as well what you think about this content, also what you want to talk more about when it comes to Binance P2P. Until then, I wish you guys an amazing day. See you in the next video. Bye bye.